So for this lesson, we're going to be talking about simple probability and odds. And for the warm-up, it's just a review of yesterday's lesson. Find the surface area and volume of the given figures. I'm not going to take the time to show you how to solve that, but I will write the answers down so you can check your answers. So for the first one, for this cylinder, and make sure to pause this and try it before you check these answers. But for the cylinder, surface area would be 66 pi centimeters squared, and for the volume it would be 72 pi centimeters cubed. For the rectangular prism, surface area would be 94 inches squared, and for the volume it would be 60 inches cubed. Hopefully you were able to figure that out. Basically just using those formulas, check your answers, and then you can move on. So we're going to be talking about probability. Here's the definition of probability, and before you write this down, let's talk through it. It's the ratio of favorable outcomes for an event to the total number of possible outcomes. Now, I'm not sure what that means because it doesn't really make sense to me the way it's written. So what I do is I see, okay, it's a ratio. That means it's going to be a fraction. So instead of writing this definition down, don't write this down. Okay, that's kind of our book definition. What I really want to write down for probability is this. It's what I want divided by what I can get. And that's basically what this definition is saying. This is just a much easier way of understanding it. Probability, it's just what I want over what I can get. And I'll explain what this means a little bit more once we see our first example. But for now, just write this down. What I want over what I can get. For sample space, that's just the list of all possible outcomes. This is everything that can happen. That's what our sample space is. So if you think about like flipping a coin, our sample space would be heads and tails, because you're either going to get a heads or a tails. And for probabilities, we always refer to them as decimals. And the closer probability is to 0, the less likely it is to occur. The closer it is to 1, the more likely it is to occur. So as we go to the left, it's less likely. The closer to 0, the less likely something is to happen. And as we go to the right, the more likely something is to happen. And since we're on a scale of 0 to 1, you can imagine this would be 0.25. Here it might be 0.5, which means it's equally to not happen, or to happen it's equally likely. And here it would be 0.75. 0 means it will never happen. 1 means it will always happen. And anything in between, the closer it is to 0, the less likely it is to happen. The closer it is to 1, the more likely it is to happen.